Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm back re-recording this video right here. Tried to do it this morning. The vacuum overtook me though. You know how it is. I don't know why. My mom vacuums like every 2 days. Love her, but her choice, her house. But aside from that, why don't we just get into the screen recording? Today we're discussing the basic details of how you all can get your hands on and cop the Air Jordan 13 Court Purple. I actually like this pair of 13s. I'm usually not a 13 fan. I mean, Jordan is usually pretty good at putting together a good looking pair of Jordan 13s, but this one especially just stood out to me. I love this Court Purple colorway, and we'll get into discussing it. So my Instagrams, all that are linked down below. Again, if you want to subscribe and like, feel free. Like on this video. It's 207 likes. I want to do something a little different. And yeah, shout out to you guys for the support my last few videos. It's been huge. Thank you all. I notice it, and I appreciate it. So yeah, I think that's everything I need to mention. So let's get into this video right here. So first things first, aside from my IGs and all that, y'all can see the basic retail, the drop time. It's dropping on January 8th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you mark your calendars and are staying tuned for that. I don't know what that little stutter was, but $190 retail y'all can see, and also the three main colors on the shoe. When you get into how it looks, it's basically black, purple, and white, which you also have on the sole, but you also have some green on the shoe. Kind of, you know, got a little Joker theme going where, you know, you got the green here and then the purple. That's just what I thought of a little bit, you know, just because I think of Batman and stuff, the movies. But again, a little bit off topic. But yeah, just seeing this one, I'm usually, again, most 13s I wouldn't look at and be like, oh, you know, I think these are actually going to have decent resale. But I'm looking at these and I'm like, all right, these actually might do not too bad. I mean, I don't think it's going to be great profit, but I think if you get these in the right size, like bigger sizes, you're targeting like 11 plus, I think you're going to be doing pretty solid for this shoe because it is one that is in demand. The sales that it at least has right now on StockX are above $300. So I think that's good. I mean, it's not, again, amazing since the retail is, I mean, already fairly high, and after shipping and everything, you're probably paying around 200 something. Like probably around like 207, 209, I think, if after like taxes too, because you know you got state tax, all that, depending on where you're at. So yeah, aside from all that basic details, again, when we just get into the look of the shoe a bit, it's a purple suede too. That's also kind of what touched me about this one. I was like, all right, it's not just like another colorway. They actually put it as some nice suede material all around up here by the heel. Again, 13s are different where it kind of goes up and around, and then, you know, just kind of throughout the shoe. I can't really explain it, but again, just a weird looking Jordan model in my opinion. Usually one I would stay away from, but this one's good. I like it. It's well done. I can't cap. It's good. The colorway is clean. They did their thing. So aside from that, grade school sizes also might be something you want to pay attention to. I probably would just stick with going for adult sizes to be safe. If you don't have like a lot of money to go for this release, let's say there's plenty of releases coming down the line in January and February you can save your money for that are going to be much more profitable than this one. So if you just want to think about it like that, I think that's realistic. So why don't we just get into the resale again? You look at these shoes, just really, really clean for a pair of 13s. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at how that suede sitting on camera. Like, it's good. It's good. I like it. So let's get into the resale a little bit more. So looking into the resale of the shoe right now, again, as I said, doing very, very, very solid right now at a range of pretty much $300 to $320. But what do I think this one will drop to realistically? Well, my best guess on this one and what it could probably drop to realistically, I think the real range of this one, once we have the resale and all that come out, I think it'll be around a range, depending again on what size you get. I think it'll be between 225 and 250, and I'm gonna put a plus on the 250 because I feel like that's a little bit low. Me just saying that right now, I even think that's a little bit low. I think, you know, we could still see like those size 12 and 13 going for much closer to $300, so that's why I'm putting a plus there. Just a small and simple range, but bigger sizes will probably be outside it. That's why the plus is there. So aside from mentioning this one, again, just look at this one, man. It's clean. I love it. You know, look at how this green is hitting on the purple with the black. Like, nothing's really conflicting on the shoe. I gotta give it up to them. This is some good 13s. Oh, they should have done this from the start. Someone let me know if this is a retro. I feel like it may be, but I don't know. So yeah, aside from that and basic resale on the shoe, I like it. When you even look at grade school a little bit, those are doing pretty well. Also, you can see those are at a range of $200 to, depending on the size, I guess $240, because I guess some are at that range, but probably nobody's paying that price. I think the best that we could probably see these reselling at within $140 retail on the grade school sizes. I think we'll honestly probably see some of these sizes at retail, and then some will probably see at a range above 160, maybe 180. That's what I'm thinking. So if you want to try and go for these again, target those half sizes like 4.5 wide, 5.5 wide, 6.5 wide. Target a 7 wide, you know, 6 wide, just anything but 3.5 wide and 4 wide really, or maybe 5 wide because that has a lot higher stock. Anything but those sizes might be, you know, okay to go for in grade school. So yeah, also a couple other things I want to link down below. I always do this. You want to check this video out down below. This one just kind of shows you again some recent tips and tricks I've been using to cop on the sneakers app more often. as you know, your boy's been focusing a lot on the back door. That's what I usually do. And also recently, I gotta be honest, a lot of my focus has gone from sneakers to crypto, but I still do focus on shoes. I do have multiple sneakers accounts, which this video right here actually shows you how to make multiple sneakers accounts, which is probably the most beneficial thing to me copying the most, is having more than one account. That's the reason that I cop more often, is because I have 15 accounts and not one. So basis of it, make more accounts, and that'll benefit you in the long run, I promise you. So aside from that, those basic details right there, this video can really help you, and I'll make an updated version in 2022 for it. It's just, you know, everything, all the same stuff still applies from this video. I don't really need to change anything, is what I'm saying. So yeah, again, those will all be linked down below, everything about that. And also, I want to give a massive shout out right here to my guys at Secret Sauce. They're a $60 monthly fee, and they could definitely help you cop a release like this one, since they do help people cop releases off FOOTSITES. They show people raffle locations for certain releases. If you're trying to get a PS5 or Xbox, they can help you do that. Again, they have tickets for those. Recently someone told me in my comment section, like, yo, Tristan, they've been helping me cop a ton of Yeezy releases. So whenever there's a, I don't even know what I said there, but whenever there's a good Yeezy release, they can definitely help you get that. That's where they also have a lot of success with shoes, is off Yeezy Supply. They have some people that are very good at copying off there, and even with their PS5s in store, all that. If you've been here before, you know how many PS5s they cop me. It's easily over 5 at this point. So yeah, it's great profit, everything that can cover the monthly fee. And honestly, just if you take advantage of everything in the group, that is really the best thing you can do. And that's what I do. And that benefits me, to be honest, because when sometimes I take my focus away from shoes, I can just hop back into the group, and then yeah, I'm kind of back in touch with everything, and with the game and all that. So again, if you want to check them, just send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? Or just follow them on Instagram and wait until they drop invites again. They should drop some invites either before the end of the year or heading into the next year, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, they can definitely help you. So shout out my guys, and we're going to be working a lot more in the future. Just stay tuned. And yeah, a couple other things that we'll also link down below. This article and this article right here, the Jordan 13 House of Heat one. I don't know why I called it that, but yeah, just a House of Heat article. Shows you again, there's plenty of places dropping for this, dropping this release. Plenty of raffles too. So if you want to go get entered in some raffles, go ahead, check these places. I'll link this article down below. But just what I'm saying, like, plenty of places where a manual user could have success. JD Sport, that's a great location for a manual user. Get that app, make an account. They drop exclusive access release for releases now. So I mean, like, you should focus on that. Yeah, again, raffles, they're saying, I don't know what's going on with raffle sneakers. They're saying there's no raffles, but there's literally raffles listed right here on this article. So just check this one. I'll link it down below. Probably won't link the raffle sneakers one. Well, I'll link that one because it'll probably update over time. We'll see. And yeah, that's everything your boy needs to mention. And that's how you guys could get your hand on this beautiful pair of Jordan 13s. I really applaud them. This is so well done. It's clean. I love it. So we'll just kind of head into the outro. All the basic details there. You want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. Those are in the description to help you out. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever it may be, go do that. And yeah, subscribe and like. Like goal in this video is 207 likes. It's a weird goal, but there you go. So yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast in me, get focused on the rest of my day. I still got some stuff to do, well, plenty of stuff to do today actually, and yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. So I'm gonna end the screen recording and get to working on everything else. I'm gonna get some food in me too, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.